when I hear the word nga therapy, murag mahal raman kaayo, di ba? And running is a free therapy. One way for me to survive that darkest moment is to hurt myself. Naapil ko sa ilahang video niya, na hindi ko sa kung, hala girl, ano, nag-una-una mga kadiraan, nga dili mga kakusog. You don't need to keep everything sa imo ha.
Yes.
You need to find someone na ma-release na nimo.
Mayong adlaw mga ka-wellness, I'm Mara, your host, and welcome to Bida Talks. Today, we have someone whose story is nothing short of inspiring. She is a runner, a mental health advocate, and someone who has been through a difficult but transformative experience. Running has become her path to healing, and now she's using her story to help others. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome to Bida Talks, Rufa Gaviola. Hi, Rufa, welcome.
Thank you for inviting me. How are you? I'm good. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Very fresh si Rufa, ladies and gentlemen. Ma-pressure sa Sunday Dapita, but I'm so happy to actually talk to you today. I'm sure there are so many things that you'd like to share about your personal journey and, of course, being an active runner yourself. If I may ask, has running been a big part of your life ever since?
Yes, definitely. When I started running, I feel like I'm living a dream. Like, before running, I was so down, and in my dark moments, I feel alone. And then when I started running, it feels like you are free. You're slowly getting the true definition of life. Yeah.
So, di ba kaya ang running kay wala tayong huna-huna?
Mhm.
Other than
You know,
sa headset sa
and
dunggan
your
or-
footsteps.
Yes, ang
Yes.
footsteps. So, is there a specific year maybe when you started running or when you tried to get into the sport?
I started running last year, and yeah, mag 1 year na ko this month.
Wow, happy
Yes.
anniversary!
Yes,
of course.
may pang running nag-anniversary
Ay,
na.
sana, of
Sorry,
course, atong hugot direct dapita. But you know, now that you've shared how running has been with you for a year now, and you've overcome some very dark moments because of running, how has running helped you in that way? Other than, you know, anak kang footsteps, katabang, pero any other benefit that running has given you mentally, emotionally?
So, is it okay that I just share my personal stuff
Yes,
first?
very
Okay.
much.
Kay, lisod pod kayo, makaingon sila nga, nagdagan na siya para magpasikat,
Ay,
for the fame and
Yeah.
all. Pero little did they know, behind those cameras or inspirational videos, they don't know me, the real me. Which is, I thought nga, sa salida ra na mo ingon nga, broken family, and then heartbreaks.
Yeah.
So, I've been there. So, wala ko nag-expect nga maapil ko ana sa broken fam, failed of relationship, friendship, and all. But then, I had a friend nga ga-share ko kay, limited ra gyud nga mag-share ko sa ako ang life kay I'm an so-called introvert person no. So, I shared sa iya nga, yun anak ko nga tao and all. And then, sige siya og kuan sa ko nga, magpa-therapy. Oh, you need to get a therapist. But when I hear the word nga therapy, murag mahal raman kaayo, di ba? And all. And then when I came home, nagsige ko scroll and then nato yung memes nga running is a free therapy, which is be murag free. Pag may tag free, okay, wala ko'y gasto. So magdagan-dagan ra ko. Pero before ko makahunahon og dagan, kapoy mo magsigig dagan. Pero mura kag na-inspire sa word nga free.
Yeah.
So mo to nga, I started running na, and then dili jud as in nga ni-run ako nga ni-run. So I started walking, and then after walking, jogging, and then suddenly nag-run din siya. So running, the question is that katong
How has it benefited
how
you in a way?
it benefits ako. Running helps me to be more patient. In what way? Because running, dili siya matawag nga maka-shortcut ka.
Yeah.
running is a process. You need to be consistent. You need to be present.
Yeah.
And then, most importantly, when you feel tired, siguro kung dagan, balik-balik naman ang routine, dagan, na. Pero when you appreciate the nature without sa running, makaingon jud ko nga, how peaceful and how great nga nisulod ka na nga environment sa running.
Very nice. And of course, earlier you mentioned ka nga, you are a product of a broken family and you've gone through heartbreaks as well, so relationships pretty much affected mentally, emotionally, that got you into running. So if I may ask, only to the extent that you are willing to share to us, how has it affected your personal life? Like, grabe ba yung mga overthinking? Grabe na ba ka or na ba yung mga anxiety diri or gamay lihok sa ubang tao, imo na dayong kanang isusi, sakto ba niya akong gibuhat, ana ba ang effect sa imuha?
Definitely, yes. There are times na yun na I can't live nga dili na ako mapasakitan akong self. Okay? And that's why work, and then after work, muuli na lang ko sa mga nga ako ra isa, since dili jud ko taga diri taga Cebu, taga Sub-Sahara Mindanao jud ko. Yes, and I'm proud of that. So nianhira ko diri sa Cebu para mag-work. So most of my time ako ra isa. So when you think about it, wala kay tao nga ma-openan nimo. And then so yeah, pag muli ko sa amo, mo kalitrag tulo akong luha, muhila ko and all. And then I keep praying nga kay natay times nga dili na I can't breathe na. Okay. So one way for me to survive that darkest moment is to hurt myself. And what way by satisfying nga pag pasakitan ako akong self, okay na ako, makalma na ako.
Yeah.
Which is kuan siya kanang atik raman na, pero no, it's true good siya. Pag mapasakitan ako akong self, makakita ko something red, makalma na ako. And then mo to ang kuan ako nga, unahunan ako nga, no, dili siya pwede ipadayon.
Yes.
Kay dili na ako deserve pasakitan ako kung galingon.
Yes.
Physically, di ba? So I need to think other way para mahinahinay ko to siya og limtan. And that running helps me.
I really love and resonate with your story because I have gone through the exact same thing. And for a lot of people, you know, self-harm is a touchy subject, really. And for those of us who have experienced it, sometimes, as they say, I've talked to someone, a therapist from the United States before. We only had a Zoom meeting for it. And sometimes the reason why we actually do that is so that anything that we feel inside, we try and feel on the outside.
Yes,
that is why we
that's
try and harm ourselves. So the more we actually feel it on the outside, we no longer feel it on the inside as well. So it's pretty much lessening the emotional burden. I truly understand where you're coming from. And if I may ask you as well, there's still a lot of stigma in terms of mental health here in the Philippines. You know, it's still a taboo topic. If you talk about psychologists, therapists, for us, it's okay. But for the people who don't normally, look into it, or for the people who have not gone through the same things as we have, kasagaran mo yung buwang-buwang naman ka, kailangan mo ka mag-therapist, nga okay naman mo uto, it's a touchy subject. But for someone who has had mental health struggles, for someone who thinks they're a burden if they talk to anyone at all, or mahadlok mo storya sa lain tao,
Yes, tinuod yun.
what would you tell them?
Ako ang ma-advise nila kay kuan lang. Find someone who kanang feel mo nga masaligan. Either imong family or friends. Kung wala sa duha, then go find a stranger.
Yes.
Talk to him, talk to her.
Yes.
Kung dili ka ganhag tao, find a cat or a dog. Then talk to him. And like just release. Kuan lang yun, need lang yun nimo i-open up imong mouth.
Yeah.
If wala din, talk to yourself. Kung wala na yun,
Yes.
ana lang yun siya. Like,
Yeah, sorry, but I tell you, like you mentioned, you talk to someone, right? And I feel like at the end of the day, dili jud ka mabot sa point nga you can talk to yourself because there's still a lot of people who support you. Like you mentioned, talk to a stranger, di ba?
Yeah.
When you talk to a stranger, there's this feeling nga, oh, bitaw na siya kailan ako. Ako siyang mag-emotional dump ko ani nga person.
Oo.
Did you feel the exact same way? Have you talked to a stranger though before?
Yes, I did. I don't know. The last time I checked is nagdine ko sa McDonald's after work and I feel so stressed that time. And then, naay bata nga kanang nangayo og money and then wala lang, I just ko nga murag na imo kuan sa imo nga need niya og food, niya og food na. So, wata gi-orderan ako siya og burger and then wata nag-stir na din mi tagasa ka ngano na ka diri na. And then nag-share din ko sa iya nga padayon lang sa life kay ang iyang reason ma'am, pwede ko mangayo og kwarta kay pang palit na ko og pagkaon niya, pang pa-eskwela po na ako ba na. So, mata nga. So, ako as a person, ko nga gamay ra ni pero padayon lang sa life ha. Ano yung gini atong life? Nana, ginagmay ra gid nga conversation murag. After that kay ma-feel na din kag nindot mo din sa feeling nga makatabang kain sa ginagmay na pamaagi ba inana siya.
Sakto. And let's talk about a little here at the height of your anxiety, at the height of your mental health struggles. You mentioned you did talk to people, but how was the feeling like when you talked to someone the very first time about what you were going through?
So, I'm a selective person, Jud. So, dili ko as in nga, mo-open up dayon, kay para maluoy sila sa ako, ma-feel pity sila ko, no. So, I remember nga, I had this friend, before me nag-separate ways, kay we have different priorities man. So, nag-open up ko sa yan all, and then, I cried and cried in front to her, nga mo ni siya, kay it's so heavy na sa ako ang weight, diba? So, I really need to release it. And then, wala ko nag-expect sa yung response. She just hugged me, and then tap my diri sa back na ko, and said na, I'm so proud of you. Kanang word nga, I'm so proud of you. Simple words ra na siya, pero it's so, kuan sa ako, kanabitang, wala siya ni judge sa ako, naminaw siya sa ako. And by that, tagaan pagyud ko niya og word nga, makapalift up sa ako nga, magpadayon sa life. Yan siya.
Ganahan kay Kona. You know, a lot of people think na all you have to do is kadang istoryaan ka, if mo storya ka, mag-expect niya sila nga dapat nasa sila ikastorya. But guys, at the end of the day, when someone opens up about their mental health struggles, it's really about just listening. You don't necessarily, we don't need some advice sometimes. All we need is a hug. All we need is a tap. So at the end of the day, all we want is someone to listen to us.
Yes.
Someone who understands that this is what we're going through and that you are there to support us. I really love your story there. But of course, let's get back to running because running has been an important part, I'd say, in your journey to healing. Other than running, do you have any other fitness activities that you do?
Yeah, I do workout, going to the gym, and then sometimes I do badminton and billiards. Yeah, I'm a sportive person. Ganun.
Awesome. I can see that with the fitness going on right here. I tell you, it should resonate on your screens right now. But if I may ask you, how often do you run? Like, in a week? Is it daily? What's your running routine like?
Most dapat sa isa ka week dapat taas na ng duha ka adlaw nga maka-rest ko. Yes. Wow. So dapat maka 5 km ko, 10 km run na siya, and then for a group of sa week dapat na ako long distance. Sa long distance nako dapat mubo ra ng 21.
Wow. So actively, you keep joining fun runs or marathons.
Yes.
Oh my goodness. What's the longest you've gone?
Last year, I joined my first ultra marathon, the 67 kilometer from Carmen to Bugo. Yes.
A superwoman right here, ladies and gentlemen. Wow, that's amazing. And up until now, you still do it, right?
Yes. Actually, I have an upcoming ultra again, which is to be karong March 29, which is 50 kilometer.
50 kilometers. Yes. Wow. How do you build your stamina and your strength for something as grueling as that?
Keep inspiring, keep motivated, ganun lang siya. And then, na yung mga tao nga unexpected na ma-inspire sa ako which is wala ko nag-expect kay ako I started ra gyud nga mag-video sa
Yeah.
social media and all, and then na yung mga tao nga kaning mo chat lang sa ako abang nga padayon miss kanang naka-inspire ka sa amo and ana sumura kog ma-boost ang ako ang kuan ba ako ang confident nga magpadayon ta kay dili lang dai ni para sa imuhan ako dai kay natabangan in a silent way.
I'm very intrigued because for someone like me nga gilakaw naman ako as si Lex or so pila ka kilometers sa imong ultra. What does your daily life look like? Like, are you very meticulous about the food that you eat? Are you meticulous about the number of hours in your sleep? What's that like for you? Like for your routine to prepare for that?
So sa ako ang day na naman ng 8 hours akong work kay naman ko work here. So, the rest, kay need na nako siya time management na nako siya nga. Dapat, kani nga time, mag-eat na ko ani. Then, kana nga time, mag-run ko kay para, kaning, while nag-eat ko, gihunahunan ako nga, karon nga day, mag-run na ko ana kay, kanang, mag-need po na ako siya sa akong lawas ba, ana siya. So, in terms of food, so, I'm so kanang, more on chips ko before. Wow. So murag gihinahinay na ako siya og hawa sa ako ang life, and then labi na katong mga drinks ga-drink na abot pud ko sa part nga mag alcohol na so karon murag wala na siya sa akong life so niagi mo yuta na I don't know sa uban. Yeah.
So wala na yung vices and everything
slowly.
Oh my goodness, I really cannot imagine, but if daghan ka man experience no sa mga dagan-dagan, I'm sure you had a lot of unforgettable moments, siguro something emotional, something funny. What's one thing you remember nga kanang di jud mo makalimtan sa imong mga races?
The first time I joined last year katong Milo, wala ko kabalo na day elite nila na nga word elite niya. Dapat maguna ang elite dira kay sila ang pinakakusog na kanang murag mo podium ba. So katang ni join ko og Milo first time na ko nagpauna-una pud ko bida-bida pud ang girl. So mo to nga inaapil ko sa ilahang video niya na hindi ko sa kung hala girl ngano nag-una-una man ka dira nga dili man ka kusog. Inan ko nga para na day nasa mga kusog jud ko kabalo to sumurtong I found nga funny moments ako kay I'm so confident nga dapat pauna ko na pero kuan pag-abot day pagdagan na day na biyaan na day ko kay first time ito na ako nga marathon ina na siya.
Awesome. And of course, you are very active on social media. You've been sharing your journey as well. As you mentioned, people are messaging you, encouraging you because you motivated and inspired them in some way. How has this platform come about? Like, unsay rason nga nung ganan nibuhat ka aning platform? Or is it because you just want to inspire or because you want to be able to kana ganing imong mahimong memory ang imong tanan mga adventures? Is it because of that?
Primero, ang why nag-post ka na is to release lang kung sa akong na-feel, di ba? And then, na-realize na ko nga kaning, dili raman day ako ang naka-feel ana. Kay, sa akong, more on sa Instagram ko before, so, mukalit lang siya og ka trending.
Yeah.
Daghay views, daghag share ko nga, kanang, wala raman ni sa ako, ay, na, pero, nikalit lang dahil na yung mga comments, yung kuan nga, nakarelate sila, yun na. So, I realized na, I think I need to keep going na ni kay kanang, na ay mga silent commenter, na ay mga silent reader nga, dili sila makarelease what they feel, pero through repost, murag maka-feel sila nga, dili sila, wala sila nag-inusara.
Yes.
Anang nga group. Naapo day mga tao nga, kaning same me o kaning na-feel bitaw.
That's nice. And ladies and gentlemen, it's one thing to actually post stuff online for clout, but it is another thing to be posting online because you want to make a difference in the life of others. Perfectly exemplified here by Rufa. But Rufa, there are so many people now wanting to get into running, wanting to get active, but do not know where to start. Me personally, like, I think last year, more or less, feel dyan ako, dili ko kalahutay yung dagan. Mga 5 minutes ng dagan-dagan, ay nag-walk na lang ko for the rest of the kuan sa whole kanang oval. So, for someone nga, siguro di pa nila feel nga kaya silang stamina, di pa nila feel nga kaya na dahil nga 5 kilometers, 3 kilometers, what would you tell someone who's just starting?
Okay. So, for the beginner or sa mag-start lang yun, so you don't need nga pag-start mo, dagan din ka. So, ay nag-start yun ko sa open the door sa inyo ha, and then go outside, and then walk. And then try to kuan ang nature, ang environment, kanang maminaw ka, kanang unaw-unaon nimo, kung pwede nimo di ka mag-unaw-una, then go just walk. And then pag mukuan ka kanang ang first step jud is mugawas ka sa inyo ha.
Yeah.
Wala ginay first step. Mugawas ka sa inyo and then lakaw.
Other than mugawas kay mubangon.
No, mo ba?
You decide nga mubangon, hindi mag-scroll sa bed. I
Yeah.
like that. And of course, as we take it back to also your journey with your mental health and anxiety, considering that there's still not a lot of available resources, free resources for us, especially with, in terms of, talking to therapists. I mean, there's a lot of time and money
Yeah,
that's given to that. What do you wish were resources that could have existed before that were available to you? Like, ganahan mo ta ka sa una, basig naon ta tay free ng mga talks to psychologists. Is that something you would have wanted before when you had your mental health struggles?
I realized nga, kanang bitang sa school, kanang mukuan ka sa imuhang mag one-on-one talk mo.
Yes.
O nana.
Yes.
Murag need siya kuan jud siya kanang need siya i-implement siya sa school.
Yeah.
Kaya labi na ang sa school kay more on immune sa mga stress, depression na. So need yun na to og tao nga maka-istorya.
Yeah.
Which is okay siya nga example kay free ra biya siya.
Yes.
Oo, hangyo ra ka nga ma'am, can I talk to you? Kanang kita lang dahan na lang ko'y gusto i-share. Which is mo na ako ang ginilikayan before.
Yeah.
And then I realized nga importante man dahil siya nga you don't need to keep everything sa imo ha.
Yes.
You need to find someone nga ma-release na nimo para ang weights bitaw mo hinahinay siya og kuan.
Ganan kay ko ana. Ganan kay ko ana.
Yes.
Because now more than ever, information, resources are available to us online, but we don't know exactly whether or not they're not fake, whether or not they're the truth. So we always have to, it's best to know someone to talk to.
Yes.
And there are a lot of people as well listening. I am so sure, 100%, yeah, they're also going through their own mental health challenges. So for someone who feels alone in their journey, someone who's still hesitant to talk because they do not want to be bashed, they do not want to be criticized about what's going on in their minds, what would you tell them?
Okay. Kung dili ka ganahan nga makikistorya sa laing tao, I suggest start journalize. Kaya mag-journal bitaw.
Yes.
Before ko nag-run, I start mag-journal and then I found it very helpful.
Yes.
Like, di-release na ako dito tanan, akong hinanakit, all my manifestation. And then, kung lain mo din mag-manifesta, kay it will be slowly nga maabot sa imong life, wala na kakabalo. So that's why, if you manifest a thing good sa imo, nga maka-benefit sa imo, try to write nga mga good words, and then, i-read na niyo, i-read hangtod maabot ra gyud na sa imong life.
Yes, journaling is actually one of the things that a lot of, even therapists advocate for. And if you look at TikTok, ladies and gentlemen, daghan kay mga manifest na dapita. Make good use of your social media platforms. Good use, not for clout. But lastly though, here, Rufa, looking ahead, what's next for you? I'm sure there's so many things on the pipeline for you. You have races, you have work, you have your personal goals. What are your long-term goals? What do you want to achieve in the future?
Since I started running, I found out that running community kay maka-help jud to boost your confidence, to share unsa imong na-learn. So, as a long term, na-picture out na ko kang self nga kaning mag-create og community under me, which is more on sharing. Like, kanang magtapok lang mo, like mag-share sa inyong problems without judgment, like maminaw lang mo and all. open up, be open sa imong problems, not just magtapok ta para magdagan.
Yeah.
No, dili. Sometimes dapat magtapok ta para ma-release na to ang atong problems sa life. And then, creating strong bonds nga mga tao nga masaligan bitaw nimo and all. So, yeah.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Rufa. But before we actually end this conversation, just a quick curiosity here. What's one song that's on repeat on your Spotify, especially when you run?
Edgaf by
Edda. By Dua Lipa.
Yeah,
Amazing.
it's a bad one, pero muna akong inspiration lately.
Wow, that's very nice. But ladies and gentlemen, as our beautiful Miss Universe 2015 said, Pia Wurtzbach, confidently beautiful with a heart, perfectly exemplified right here by the one and only Rufa Gaviola. But
Thank you so
ladies and gentlemen, Rufa here is a runner. I'm sure a lot of you are runners as well. We do not want to miss out on IPI Run 2025 happening at the SM Seaside City, Cebu, May 25, 2025. Do not forget, whether or not you're a seasoned runner or you're a first-timer, you will see us right there running with you guys. Make sure to register. Registration is only until May 1, 2025. Please do not forget to follow our social media pages, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, to get updated. And of course, once again, May 25th, that's the IPI Run 2025. This has been Mara, your host. See you next time for Vida Talks.